So hi everyone, today we have unboxing for the Leatherman P4. This is the replacement model I got for my wave, which I've been using for a number of years now. So let's go ahead and open it up. The box is good quality. We can see that it is very Leatherman Lee style. We have the pouch and the tool itself. Not much going on in there. The pouch is fabric, nice quality, gray this time. We have a nice holster loop. Looks very sturdy. I think it will last for a while. I like the button latch here compared to the old Velcro type. I think this is going to be silent and nice. So let's jump into the tool itself. So first looks, I think this is a very handsome tool. I like the dimpled stainless steel body, very grippy to hold, good quality feel to it. Overall, it's a very nicely done job by Leatherman. Next we come to the blade. The Leatherman P4 comes with a nice drop point hollow ground blade. I think it's very pretty to look at, and performance wise it's good. Leatherman has gone with the 420HC steel on this multi-tool as well. It has been the choice steel for Leatherman tools, I think for most of the Leatherman tools for many years now. This blade can be easily sharpened in the field and it maintains its edge reasonably well. Yes, so next we come to the serrated blade. Very useful for cutting cordage, paracords and things like that. This one is unique. It comes with a nice beveled edge tip, which I think is useful for scraping. Okay, next let's look for the saw. The saw. Here you are. Okay, so this saw is a nice general purpose saw. I don't think you'll be able to cut down trees with it, but it will serve some cutting purpose. Next, let's go to the scissors. The Leatherman P4 scissors is slightly larger than the Wave and it is no less sharper. This one cuts very clean and neat. Originally, the P4 did not come up with pocket clips, but the recent batches I see we have pocket clips, and this I think is a right hand carry pocket clip only. We cannot see any other attachment on the other sides. What sets the P series apart is the magnetic opening and closing mechanism. We have very firm lockup here. At the edge of the handle here is a crimping tool, which is useful for crimping wires and things like that. The needle nose pliers also feature replaceable cutters. The magnetic closing mechanism holds it very firm. You have neodymium magnets here. Leatherman says they are just nicely magnetized. They will not affect your credit card or your phones. The combination of the magnets and the free moving hinges allow for a movement that is balisong-like, which I will fail miserably at. Enough of that. Let's have a look at the other tools that are tucked outside of the P4. All tools are easily one-hand accessible. Although I think there is still some space for refinement, many of the tools get stuck together like this and it's hard to access. Here we have a small flathead screwdriver and an awl. The edge is sharp enough to be used as a scribing tool on metal or wood. And here we have the world's funniest looking file. It will take a lot of effort trying to file with something this short. Next we have another flathead screwdriver. I'm not sure if anyone wants to use this as a pry bar, but it is doable. Now let's move to the reverse side and see what's in store for us. I do not enjoy having all my tools come out at the same time like this. Here we have a Phillips screwdriver and a bottle opener. A pry bar, or a pry tool as Leatherman would like to call it. Let's see how it sits in the pouch. With the clip tucked in, it's a bit hard to close. Now it closes perfectly. And with that, I would like to thank you everyone. Don't forget to click subscribe on the link below.